Today, we will talk about how to start a credit repair business. Let's have a look at the details. Credit card repair is a profitable industry, as 1 in 3 Americans has incorrect credit reports. It is also a lucrative business, as who would not want to improve their financial future? Getting started is easy. Entrepreneurs do not have to find gigantic capital or rent an office. You might even work from home with a computer and phone. This is an excellent option if you want to become your boss. Step 1. Learn about surety bonds. First, find out about the surety bond. Your company must get to comply with the local legislation. Registration is usually straightforward, and pricing varies. However, a bond must be filed as the future is uncertain. Step 2. Register your credit repair business. Without registration, you cannot open a business bank account, and your company has no credibility. Remember that credit repair involves high risk, as it includes a lot of variables and uncertainties. Consult with a tax professional or attorney to pick the suitable model, a sole proprietor, LLC, or DBA. Step 3. Find banks that approve credit repair. Many banks are reluctant to open accounts for these businesses. The risky nature of the niche explains their aversion. However, a few banking and financial institutions are considered credit repair friendly: Wells Fargo, Schools First Credit Union, Bank of America, BBVA, Regions Bank, and Navy Federal Credit Union. Step 4. Get training. Credit repair professionals do not have to earn a degree in finance or economics, but certification is essential for your status. Fortunately, there are plenty of online courses to get the basic training fast. For example, you can find plenty of such systems on Udemy. Next, get certified by a well-known educational provider, the National Association of Certified Credit Counselors or the Credit Consultants Association. Step 5. Choose your pricing model. As repair does not have a fixed duration, companies use a variety of pricing models. The most common system is subscription-based. Flat fees are also popular, as consumers get a fixed price regardless of how long their case will take. Here are the most popular options: subscription-based, flat fee, pay per deletion, and guidance only. Step 6. Find the right software. The best software for credit repair allows you to launch and scale your business, get more sales online, delete negative information faster than competitors, and streamline the workflow. It includes additional features like flexible appointment scheduling and a course platform that lets you provide freebies, like DIY guides. Most products cost between $179 and $599 per month. There are also some free alternatives. Step 7. Start advertising. The internet provides many ways to spread the word about your company. You may establish a presence on different social media platforms and buy paid ads. Here are a few tips. Create a website. Despite the pervasiveness of social media, a website is still indispensable. It is vital for credibility. You do not have to pay for the fancy design, as there are plenty of WordPress templates. Instagram marketing. This platform is extremely popular with millennials who are prime for credit repair. Social media ads. Ads on Facebook and Instagram will help you build credibility and get more signups. Find affiliates. Getting affiliates is one of the best ways to grow your business. They will provide you with warm leads. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.